I'm heading deep into the tranquil English countryside. Picture it. Sunlit winding lanes, high green hedges, no one else on the road except the odd pheasant, usually with no road sense whatsoever, or possibly a death wish. And one of those farm tracks you'd only find if you already knew it was there, or if you'd got completely lost. I turn into a hidden gem of a dairy farm. It's a little rustic, a little cluttered, with a few old relics dotted about the place, and I haven't even spotted the farmer yet. Around 500 ladies are living their best lives here, sheltered, comfortable, with the option to stroll outside if the weather suits them, and munching away on carefully measured feed. Honestly, some of them look better looked after than I am by the missus. I park up, Wellingtons and overalls clean and ready to go, which is usually the cleanest they'll be all day, as I'm a bit of a manure magnet myself. Then unload my kit, my EID reader linked to my recording software, MooMatrix on the all-4 dairy platform, along with my tablet, mobile phone, coffee and chewy sweets, very important, and a comfy seat to sit on. As a RoMS registered mobility scorer, trained by professionals to give the best service possible to the farmers I visit, and most importantly, to do the best for the animals I'm watching walk, I take this role seriously. Then I make my way down through the buildings to the race, where the herd will walk past me after milking. This is where the real watching begins, like beauty queens on the catwalk, only with more muck and fewer sequins. There are that many staff around, it almost feels like there are as many people as there are girls. The farmer and his team are fantastic, and the ladies, well, they're pampered like queens. If they had room service, they'd probably complain the grass wasn't cut diagonally. This farm's milk contract means I'm here every 3 months to carry out mobility scoring and help keep standards high, or for my overseas USA viewers, locomotion scoring. Because if you're watching 500 ladies walk past, you soon learn comfort is not a luxury, it's survival. As each girl comes down the race, the EID reader picks up her number and identifies her on the system. That means I know exactly which animal I'm looking at, and I can record whether she is walking well or whether there are any concerns. A smooth, confident stride? Perfect. A short step, a limp, stiffness, or uneven movement? That gets recorded. And the odd one that looks like she's trying out for Strictly Come Dancing? Well, she definitely gets my attention. Every score matters because spotting these problems early can make a huge difference to animal welfare, farm performance, and the job list for the hoof trimmer. If needed, we can also body condition score the ladies, gently picking out the ones carrying a little extra weight, just like some of us humans after a good Christmas. No judgment, girls. We've all been there. We can also record hock condition, cleanliness, blocks, bandages, previous treatments, videos of high-scoring animals for reference, comments, and any other physical issues that may affect the way they walk, even if they are not directly caused by lameness. The beauty of using MooMatrix through the all-4 dairy platform is that all this information is recorded clearly and can be used properly. It helps create a trim list for the hoof trimmer's next visit, gives the farmer a clear picture of which animals may need attention, and also helps confirm the standards required by British milk buyers and the customers they supply. So this is not just a quick look at a herd walking past, like counting sheep. It is part of a bigger picture: better welfare, better communication, better records, and better outcomes for everyone on the farm. Once I'm done, I know these ladies have been properly checked until the next visit. I pack up, finish the coffee if it hasn't gone cold, or hasn't developed a skin on top strong enough to walk across, and head back down those country lanes, ready to return in 3 months and do it all again. Because every step matters, every girl deserves to walk well. And let's be honest, if 500 ladies are going to do a catwalk, someone has to be there to score it, and that's why I love my job.
The other one's walking all right, so that's good.